Good morning. How can I help you?
My grandson has fever.
What's his name?
His name is Dylan.
Oh, you must be worried. I'm sorry. How old is Dylan?
He's 2 years and 2 months old.
Did you measure his temperature at home?
Yes, I did.
When did the fever start?
About 5 days ago.
So, is the fever there all the time? Or on and off?
It's there all the time.
So you think it's getting worse?
Yes, I think it does.
How is he doing? Cries a lot? Or quiet and weak?
He is very irritable, refuses to eat and drink.
Is there anything that makes it worse?
Yes, it becomes worse every time he cries a lot.
Is there anything that makes it better? Any medications?
Drinking a lot of fluids make it better. We used fever reducer drug like Tylenol.
Does he have any other symptoms? Chills? Cough? Runny nose? Any difficulty swallowing? Shortness of breath?
He has cough and runny nose.
Does he have any phlegm too?
No, I have not noticed any.
Have you noticed him pulling his ears? Any ear discharges?
Yes, I noticed him doing that, and he has some whitish discharges.
What about rashes? Seizures? Or eye problem?
No,
Any changes on his urination?
none at all.
Any vomiting? Diarrhea? Or changes on stools?
He experienced vomiting and also diarrhea.
Does he eat well? What does he eat?
His appetite is low. He only eats clear soups and flavored gelatin.
Does he have any problem sleeping?
At this time, yes.
Has he ever had similar episodes before?
No,
Any illness before?
none at all.
Does he have any allergy?
Yes, on peanuts.
Is he taking any medication other than Tylenol?
No, only Tylenol.
Does he have any other medical problems? Any hospitalizations?
He had an ear infection.
When did he have an ear infection? Was he treated?
Last month, doctor. Yes, he was treated with antibiotics.
Any surgeries before?
No.
Now I would like to ask you some personal questions which can be very helpful to figure this out. Is this okay with you?
Sure, it's okay.
Is there anybody around him being sick now? Or recently?
I heard that there are some sick kids at the daycare center.
So he spent most of the time at the daycare center? And then home after that?
Yes, that's right.
What do his parents do for a living?
His father is a businessman and his mother is a teacher.
Have you traveled with him recently? When was his last time out of Los Angeles?
No, not yet.
Has he been exposed to any animals, including pets?
No.
Does anyone in your family smoke?
Yes, his father smokes.
Was he a full-term baby?
Yes, he was.
Any complications during pregnancy or after birth?
No.
Are his immunizations up to date?
Yes.
Does he have well baby checkups? When was the last time? How was the result then?
Yes, that was last month. The released result was about his ear infection.
Does he have problems on development? Height, weight, language?
I think he does not have any problems on development.
Have you recently moved?
No.
Thank you for answering all these questions. Is there anything that I miss out here? Or anything you think I would better know?
It's okay, nothing at all.
Mrs. Scott, thank you for the information you have provided. It sounds like Dylan has some sort of upper respiratory tract infections. But it's hard to say it for sure now. I need to examine him and run some tests to evaluate his symptoms. So I would recommend you to bring him over here as soon as possible. Babies have weaker and more sensitive body than we adults do. So I would like to see him closely. Do you have any questions?
None, doctor.
Okay. It was very nice talking with you. I hope this helps, and I am looking forward to seeing you once you come in with your grandson. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
We've compiled simple and relatable conversations that you might encounter in your daily life. These conversations are not only a great way to improve your English but also to understand how English is spoken in real-life situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos and also comment.